Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can create your TikTok account. Well, to create your TikTok account, open your search engine and search TikTok. Then click on this link. It will take you to their platform. Then click on login since we don't see any sign up button here. Then click on sign up here. Well, you can continue either using your Facebook or Google account. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use the first option, which is use phone or email. Now add your date of birth and then your phone number or email. Well, I'm creating my TikTok account using my email. And then add password. And then click on send code. It will send you a verification code on the email you used. So grab the verification code from your emails and add it here within 60 seconds. And then click on next. And if you want, you can skip this step, but instead of skipping it, I'm creating my username and then click on sign up. Now your TikTok account has just been created and you can go to your profile to make changes according to your needs. And if you want, you can change your personal account to a business account to access more marketing tools. And also, you can share your profile on different platforms. And this is how you can create your TikTok account. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.